Hello and welcome to another video. Today's video, just a quick one. It's just an unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, I went with the gold variety. It's quite a good looking one. I've got the 512GB one, and as you can see, all the stuff, bits and pieces that come in the box. So let's get this out. I'm eager to get using it. Right, so as you can see, the backing on this is quite a nice soft sheen, apart from the Apple logo, which is glossy. It's going to hide the fingerprints really nicely. The actual camera array, I thought that the cameras would stick out quite a bit. It looks like they sort of kind of do, but when you put it on its side, they're actually really, they sit nice and not flush obviously, but they don't stick out very far. So on this side you've got your mute button, you've got your volume rockers, you've got a power button. Right, let's get this plastic off. So we'll set this to one side. Just have a quick look what else is in the box. Obviously you'll have all your bits of warranty information, your SIM ejection tool, quick start guide, your Apple Troll stickers in white. What else we've got in the box? We've also got your obviously lightning cable headphones, which I'll probably never use. Power cable and a charging brick. It's a fast charging brick, finally, in an Apple phone. It's different to the original one. 18-watt charging, I think. So I'm going to give that a try and see what that's like. Right, so my first impressions of it are very good. I've got my information in. It feels very much like the original, well, the XS Max, but I much prefer this finish on the back. It's a nice frosted finish. You've got a little bit of a grip where the Apple logo is, but it's actually, if you're going to rock this without a case, I'd suggest you be a bit careful because it can be a bit slidey. It depends on the surface that you're on. So the face unlock, it's supposed to be a little bit quicker now. It's a bit difficult to do behind the camera, but it's nice and smooth. It's everything, yeah, I mean, it just all seems to work really well. I'm quite impressed with it. The screen on it gets really nice and bright, even out in direct sunlight. I mean, an AMOLED screen always gets nice and bright outside, but these are supposed to get that a little bit brighter. So, I mean, I didn't have any problems with the old phone, but this one works just as well. So I've had a brief go with the cameras. The cameras are very good. Still got the bugbear where if you want to change from 4K to 1080p or whatever, you've got to go into the settings, come out of the camera app, go into settings, change it, then come out of that, go back into the camera. Why they don't integrate into the actual camera app, I don't know. But yeah, other than that, it's a very, very good device. It's heavier, just slightly heavier than the old one, but to be honest with you, when I had both in hand, didn't really notice too much of a difference really. It's I mean, the one thing with the Apple phones is it's premium quality. I mean, you could just feel it. Everything from the stainless steel frame to the glass. I mean, the transition between the metal and the glass, it's so smooth. It's lovely. It really is nice to hold. I think the actual bezels around the outside might be slightly thicker, but I didn't really notice too much of a difference between both phones. But so I think that's it for this unboxing video. I've got more stuff to come. I've got cases and screen protectors. I've got a wireless charging pad. So, but that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. As I say, like, share and subscribe, and keep an eye out for my other videos coming in. Hit the notification bell so you get a notification when they drop. So that's it for now. Bye for now.